What is earnings season and how do you trade it? Are you ready to unlock the secret behind some of the biggest market moves of the year? It happens 4 times a year and it's called earnings season. This is the moment when companies open their books and reveal their financial performance, giving traders and investors a valuable information to trade on market movements. But how can you make the most of it? Let's dive in. Earnings season is that crucial period typically happening in January, April, July, and October when public companies release their earnings reports. These reports showcase some key financial metrics like net income, earnings per share, and revenue. But it's not just about numbers, it's about market impact. For savvy traders, these reports offer a wealth of information, helping them to identify the company's health and future prospects. And here's where it gets exciting. Based on that insight, you can take a position on whether the stock will rise or fall, trading on the market movements this announcement might create. But there is more. Many companies also hold earnings calls where management discuss the results with analysts, investors, and the media. This is your chance to get deeper insights and even anticipate how the market will react before it opens again. Timing is everything, so don't forget to check our company's earnings calendar for the exact release dates. Now, imagine being ready for those major moves, knowing which companies to focus on, having a solid strategy in place, and having the ability placing pending orders in our mobile app. Want to elevate your trading plan this earnings season? Start by doing your research, stick to your strategy, and learn from every experience. And remember, our company offers trading on over 150 major CFDs on stocks from around the world to help you explore. Ready to take action? The next earnings season is just around the corner. Let earnings season be an opportunity to learn and to grow as a trader.